Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, August 23rd, 2026 at 10:22, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's Day 1 Outlook, we have three slight risk areas, one that encompasses parts of northeastern Nevada, northwestern Utah, and southeastern Idaho. We have another one that encompasses much of central Montana, and we have another one that encompasses southwestern North Dakota and western South Dakota. We have a margin of risk that encompasses parts of eastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, western Nebraska, western and central South Dakota, western and southern North Dakota, much of Montana, much of Wyoming, eastern Idaho, northeastern Nevada, central and northern Utah, and northwestern Colorado. So we have those areas under a marginal risk. We also have southern and southwestern Arizona under a marginal risk. We also have southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, northeastern Oklahoma, and northwestern Arkansas under a marginal risk. We also have extreme eastern Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, western and northern Florida, southern Georgia, eastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. And we have another margin that encompasses northeastern Ohio, central and northern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, all of New York State, much of Massachusetts, much of Connecticut, extreme northwestern Rhode Island, much of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, and all of New Hampshire. So we have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. No tornado risk for today, so that's very good to see. Today we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northeastern Nevada, northwestern Utah, and southeastern Idaho. We have another 15% hatch that encompasses much of central Montana. And we have a 5% hatch that encompasses northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, western Nebraska, western South Dakota, southwestern North Dakota, much of central Montana, northern and western Wyoming, parts of southeastern Idaho, and parts of northwestern Utah. We have a 5% normal that encompasses eastern Nevada, central to northern Utah, northwestern Wyoming, going back into northwestern Colorado and central Wyoming. We also have another 5% hatch that encompasses parts of eastern Idaho and western Montana. And northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We also have another 5% that encompasses southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Arkansas. We have another 5% that encompasses southwestern and southern Arizona. We have another 5% that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, western and northern Florida, southern Georgia, eastern South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. And we have another 5% that encompasses northeastern Ohio, central and northern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, all of New York State, much of Connecticut, extreme northwestern Rhode Island, much of Massachusetts, all of Vermont, and all of New Hampshire under a 5%. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. We have Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Provo, West Jordan, and Billings under the significant severe. Salt Lake City, West Valley City, West Jordan, Billings, and Austin under the 15%, and New York, Phoenix, Jacksonville, Tucson, and New Orleans under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched areas, we could see 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% hatched, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of western South Dakota and southwestern North Dakota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses much of northern and central Montana. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of western and central Nebraska, extreme northeastern Colorado, and parts of, central and northern Kansas. I do apologize. That is Nebraska. What am I talking about? Parts of southern and central South Dakota, and parts of western North Dakota. And we have a 5% normal that encompasses parts of northeastern Idaho, northwestern Wyoming, much of Montana, western North Dakota, western and central South Dakota, uh, northwestern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota as well, western Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We have those areas under a 5%. We also have parts of northeastern Idaho, northwestern Pennsylvania, much of New York State, northwestern Connecticut, western Vermont, Massachusetts, much of Vermont, and parts of western New Hampshire. We have those areas under a 5% for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. We have Rapid City, Bismarck, North Platte, Mandan, and Dickinson under the significant severe. Rapid City, Great Falls, Dickinson, Pierre, and Rapid Valley under the 15%, and Buffalo, Rochester, Springfield, Syracuse, and Erie under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched areas, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch downward hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch downward hail possible today. 5% hatched, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch downward hail possible today. 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and severe and damaging winds are forecast across parts of the northern Rockies and Plains this afternoon and evening. Other thunderstorms with mainly a severe wind threat may occur over portions of the northern Great Basin. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. No tornado risk for today, so that's very good to see. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even if you are under a margin of risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon, as well as any day 1 outlook updates, which I'm sure will happen. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.